Welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll explore how to add two positive integers without carrying. This is a fun exercise to understand number manipulation in JavaScript. We'll dive into how to extract digits, perform operations without carry, and combine the results. Let's get started. Normally, when adding numbers, we carry over values exceeding 9 to the next digit. In this challenge, we disable carrying altogether. This means each digit is independently added without considering its impact on neighboring digits. For example, 222 and 911 would result in 133. Each pair of digits is summed independently. Here's the JavaScript code to add two numbers without carrying. The function add2 int without carrying works by isolating the last digits of each number, adding them without carry, and assembling the final result digit by digit. This logic ensures no carry affects the addition process, giving us a unique sum. Let's break down the process step by step. First, we start with a result initialized to 0 and a place value multiplier of 1. Second, we process each digit pair, summing them without carry, and add the result to the appropriate place in the final number. Third, we shift to the next digit by truncating the last digit of each number. Fourth, we adjust the place value multiplier for the next higher digit. At the end, we get our unique sum. In this example, we're adding 2, and 2 and 911. Each digit pair is summed with a carry. 2 plus 9 would be 11, which in turn makes 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, which in turn makes 3. 2 plus 1 again makes 3, which also makes 3. The final output is 133. This shows how each digit contributes independently to be the result. In the second example, the numbers 200 and 900 are added. Digit-wise, the sums are 2 plus 9 is equal to 11, which makes 1. And 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, as normal, which in turn makes 0. The same for the following. So the result is 100. Each digit sum is calculated independently, demonstrating the logic of this program. The ES6 version is a more concise implementation using arrow functions. The logic remains the same, but the syntax is more modern and easy to read. This is a great way to write cleaner code. To recap, we've learned how to add two positive integers without carrying by processing digits independently and summing them modulo 10. This approach is simple yet showcases creative problem solving in JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript videos. I'll see you in the next one.